right, Effie? Where's your new babby? Hey? Where's the new babby? Where is he? He's up there, is he? Okay. See if we can see him then. Oh, bugger, there he is, look. What about the rest of you then? Some of you seem to be enjoying this hot weather. You're obviously ain't as old as me, because I don't enjoy it. We got a baby there, hiding in the grass. We have. If I can catch him on the camera, but he's there. There he is, hiding in the grass. We've got one there, right in front of the bull. For some reason, the calves all lie round the bull. They seem to love him. Buster. I don't blame them for loving you, Buster. I think you're gorgeous as well. Can I walk in between you here without you getting up? That would be good. Stay where you are. That's amazing. Oh, little calf's got up. There he is, look. One lying in the, one got up. One's still hiding in the grass. Really close to them, but they're just like, I tell them, don't get up, and they don't. They're pretty good.